Hi, in this video we are going to implement drawer in a FlutterFlow UI. So basically drawer it will use to open and close the menu when application running on a mobile application, as well as our web application is open in small browser. So now let's start how we can implement drawer. So first I want to add drawer widget. Now select a drawer, and now see it will visible. Now they are visible. Now I want to one text here for checkout is drawer for scene. It is drawer area. Now I want to change text drawer area. Now increase the font size 30, and now by default is I want to hide here, and I want to perform action. Suppose it is a one button, and I give name drawer open, and when I click on this button then drawer will be open. Now I add action, and add action drawer is visible here. Okay, and it is a action is already shown in drop down: open drawer, open end drawer, and close drawer. Now I want to open drawer, and the close drawer is automatic perform. Now I run this project and scene. Now project is started successfully. Currently default it is not open drawer. Now when I click this button then it will be open. Now we can see that first I minimize session area, and I click on. Now this we are seeing that drawer is open, and blank area when I click then drawer is automatically closed. So this way we can implement drawer. So it is best when we see in a mobile view. So see, in most of application we see it from left to right swipe, then this type of area we are seeing. So that's it. So this way we can add the drawer in a FlutterFlow.